The new Toyota Corolla for 2024 will be arriving soon at Newburgh Toyota in Newburgh, NY, and it will be worth waiting for. This is a versatile, well-built sedan that will have an appealing combination of style and comfort. The 2024 Toyota Corolla will be backed by Toyota's phenomenal reputation for long-term reliability. Here's an overview of what to expect when you test drive the new Toyota Corolla for 2024 at Newburgh Toyota. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like the video. Under the hood of every 2024 Corolla, you'll find a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that generates 169 horsepower and operates with front-wheel drive. All hatchback versions share that same powertrain, while the sedan offers a hybrid alternative. An all-wheel drive hybrid model can get from 0 to 60 mph in 9.0 seconds, and the hatchback model can make the same run in 8.3 seconds. The front-wheel drive hybrid will give you an estimated 50 mpg in the city and 43 mpg on the highway. The non-hybrid 2.0-liter engine, it still gives you an outstanding 41 mpg on the highway. The Toyota Corolla comes with a standard 8-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone connectivity, satellite radio, remote keyless entry, and a 6-speaker stereo. You can upgrade to available wireless device charging, proximity keyless entry, push-button start, and a 9-speaker stereo system. Safety features include a rear-view camera and adaptive cruise control. The new Toyota Corolla for 2024 comes with a simple, streamlined dashboard and soft touch materials. You can upgrade to ambient interior lighting and heated front seats. It's worth noting that the sedan will provide quite a bit more legroom in the back seats compared with the hatchback. The sedan gives you 13 cubic feet of trunk volume, and the hatchback offers 18 cubic feet of cargo space behind the back seat. The new Toyota Corolla comes with an available dark gray metallic rear spoiler, a diffuser and side rocker panels that will grab attention no matter where you drive. The 2024 Corolla brings back the Nightshade Edition after a brief hiatus. This eye-catching appearance package builds on the SE trim level and gives you striking bronze wheels and dark badging. Nightshade Corolla hatchbacks will come with a black roof and a vented sport wing.